In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Forms language. We're going to use the quick built-in translation tool in your browser to view your Google form in a different language. This is perfect when you need to read or preview a form in another language fast, without rebuilding anything. It's simple, it works across the whole page, and you can switch back at any time. Start by opening your Google form in your browser. You can be in the editor where you create questions, or in the live preview where respondents see the form. Make sure the page is fully loaded so every part of the form is visible. If your internet is slow, give it a second to finish loading before you proceed, so the translation can catch everything on the page. Next, click directly on the text you want to translate. This can be a question title, a description, or any part of the form's content. Clicking the text helps your browser focus on the area you're looking at and ensures it's recognized properly for translation. If you're in the editor, you can click inside a question field. If you're in preview, just click anywhere on the visible text. Now move to the top right corner of your browser window and click the vertical three dots to open the menu. From there, choose Translate. Your browser will immediately translate the page into your default language. If a small translation bar or pop-up appears, confirm the target language and the page will refresh with translated text. If you want a different language, use the language selector in that bar to pick the one you need. To see the original wording again, choose the option to show the original or simply refresh the page. A quick note on how this works. This method translates what you see on the screen. It does not permanently change the language of the form's saved content. That means your original questions and settings remain exactly as you wrote them. It's ideal for reviewing or filling out a form in another language on the fly. If you don't see the translate option, make sure you're using a modern browser that supports page translation, such as Chrome, and try reloading the page. Also, ensure the page is in a language different from your default. Translation tools appear most reliably in that case. And that's it. Open your form, click the text you need, and use the three-dot menu to translate the page. Quick, clear, and reversible whenever you need it.